Welcome back to this special episode of Street Soldiers on location in the South Bronx. The Urban Health Plan provides medical and wellness services to the community. Now they're trying to slow the spread of complications from food insecurity. What kind of need do you see from the patients that are coming to you?
We see all types of need. Our nutrition department discovered and identified that food insecurity was a problem way before the pandemic. We were seeing patients for one-to-one counseling, and we were recommending them to make dietary changes, but they just couldn't afford the food. And some of them drastically couldn't even eat anything that day.
Have you seen a dramatic rise in the number of people that need food help?
Yeah, absolutely. You know, there are times where we have to, patients come in, community members come in from the street. There could be 7 to 10 patients a day that we are just scrounging around to get food for them. But especially since the pandemic, it is rose. Mm-hmm.
And what are some of the causes, do you think, of them not having enough to eat?
The cost of food. The cost of food has increased dramatically. And a lot of people lost their jobs over the pandemic and aren't able to get back on their feet. There's a lot of things.
The staff here at Urban Health Plan are preparing food emergency bags for patients who come here for medical and health services and are screened for food insecurity. If they're found to not have enough food, they're given one of these bags right away. Maggie, what kinds of things do you have in these bags?
Sure. Here we have shelf-stable milk. You don't need to refrigerate it. It can sit out. We have the toasted oat cereal, so just a store brand of your Cheerios. Peanut butter, a good source of protein, especially for diabetic patients or children as well. We get a lot of families that they can just stick their finger in if they want to, or use a spoon. The packed tuna. So
this is a very conscious and intentional way of choosing the food. So you have the tuna in the packs, so that they don't need to have a can opener because they have no kitchen.
Absolutely, yeah. And the canned peaches, they have the snap top here, so you could just peel it off. So we did go through a lot of cans and a lot of options here with our fellow supermarket to try and choose things that would actually work for them.
Thanks for joining us for this special episode of Street Soldiers on location in the South Bronx as we explore the issue of food insecurity here. You can watch it again on our Fox 5 NY YouTube page and the Fox Local app. Remember, use your mind as your best weapon. I'm Lisa Evers. Let's push for peace, love, and food for all.